In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert citations in Microsoft Word. If you're writing a paper or report and need a works cited page or a reference list, this built-in feature can save you a lot of time and help you stay consistent. First, open your document and head to the References tab at the top of Word. In the Citations and Bibliography section, you'll see a style drop-down. Click that and choose the citation style that matches your assignment or publication guidelines, such as APA or MLA. Pick the format that best fits your document. Keep in mind, depending on your version of Word, Chicago style may not appear in this list. If that's the style you need and don't see it, make sure to check your requirements and select the closest available option. Consistency matters most, so set your style before you start adding sources. Now let's add your first citation. Click Insert Citation, then choose Add New Source. A window will pop up where you can enter the required reference details. Type in the author's name as it appears on your source, the title, and the publication information, such as the year, publisher, and any other fields that are relevant to your source. Take your time here. Accuracy is key. The more complete and precise your information is, the better your citations will look. If something isn't available on your source, it's okay to leave that field blank, but try to include the core details like author, title, and date when possible. When you're finished filling out the information, click OK. Word will automatically create the citation in the style you selected and format it in your document. It also stores the source, so it's ready for your works cited or reference list. If you add more sources later, Word keeps them organized, so you can reuse them in the same document without retyping anything. A quick tip, if you ever change your mind about the style, you can switch it from the Style dropdown on the References tab. Word will update the formatting of your citations throughout the document automatically, which is especially helpful if your guidelines change. That's all there is to it. Using the References tab to set your style, inserting a citation, and entering accurate source information is a simple and efficient way to keep your document properly formatted. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.